Welcome to the English Walla. Today we're going to talk about 20 English idioms that you can use in your daily life to express yourself in a more interesting and effective way. So let's get started. Break a leg, good luck. Often used before a performance example, I have a job interview tomorrow. Break a leg. Bite the bullet, to accept something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I don't want to take a pay cut, but I know I need to bite the bullet and accept it. Cost an arm and a leg, to be very expensive. Example, I love that dress, but it costs an arm and a leg. Hit the nail on the head, to be exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head, that's exactly what I was thinking. Cry over spilled milk, to worry about something that has already happened and can't be changed. Example, I know you didn't get the job, but there's no point in crying over spilled milk. Under the weather, to feel sick or unwell. Example, I can't come to the party tonight, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Ball is in your court, it's your turn to take action. Example, I've given you all the information you need, so now the ball is in your court. Break the ice, to start a conversation or to make a situation less awkward. Example, I don't know anyone at this party, I need to find a way to break the ice. Beat around the bush, to avoid talking about something directly. Example, stop beating around the bush and just tell me what happened. Give someone the benefit of the doubt, to trust someone's explanation without proof. Example, I don't think she's lying, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt.